Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Now today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Beats Studios Pro. Now I tried to search for these Beats on eBay or any other website out there for the white versions, and you can't find them because this color is pretty much brand new to the Beats. I tried to search the Beats website, but they don't have this color, and this color is called matte white, and the only website that has it for right now is Amazon. That's where I bought it from. So as you can see at the bottom there, it says matte white. These are the brand new Beats that just came out. And let me just do the quick unboxing here and show you guys how this box actually looks for the white versions. And this is the back of the box here. It should all pretty much look the same for any other color out there, but I am going to compare it to the Sandstone of the Beats here. And as you can see here, these are the two differences. Looking at the cream light color on these Sandstone headphones and at the matte white. As you can see here, the white one looks more classy, it looks more classic given how the white looks. On the side here, there's a pull tab you could pull, so let me try doing it right now. See, that's pretty satisfying. And this whole thing basically just comes off here, and looks like there's some type of tape. Oh no, it's pretty much like a tab that's inside this box. That's odd. Alright, so this is the box itself. You got the Beats headphones engraved here. This is cardboard box right here. This material of this box is pretty much cardboard. And let's see if I could just like open this up. Yeah, there we go. He just opens up from the top, takes it off just like that, and then as you can see here on the inside, it says Beats Studios Pro with the same type of engraving as the top of this lid. So this is a new case. The case here, as you can see here, it's not 100% white. It's kind of like a very, very light gray color. The same color that you see with the Apple with the Beats logo. It's pretty much the same color as the case here. The camera looks different, but in real life, this type of color is more like the Beats logo. It's kind of light, very light grayish. See on the top here, we got the new tab. This tab looks much darker color tone here. Let's see what's inside here. This looks like some type of paperwork. I wonder if you have the Beats stickers inside here. So you just rip this off. So we got a scan here, scan to complete product guide. Got the Beats logos. Although the Beats logos, they look pretty small. As you can see, they're like about 1.5 inches or so. They're pretty small compared to the other Beats stickers that I had before from the previous versions of these headphones. And you got the Apple Music. I don't know how many months it's gonna give you. It's typically like 3 months that it'll usually give you. So yeah, let's just put this away, and let's take a look at the Beats headphones case here. So yeah, the sides are kind of stiff. The middle part here is not. It's the same material, but it's not as stiff as the sides here. Let's try by opening it up. Oh, so you cannot open this thing all the way. I did not know that. I was expecting to open this thing like a buck, but you cannot do that. So on the sides here, the cables that comes with the headphones, the USB here, these are gray, not white like the headphones. That's kind of unfortunate that you get that. So there's no logos, there's nothing on these headphones here. From the box, nothing on the paper letting you know what type of USB it is. It's basically just USB-C to USB-C, as typical, as all the modern devices have. And now for the headphones here, same exact color, dark gray color with the white Beats. These cables are not the same color as the headphones. And as you can see there, on the actual tips of these headphones, there's no logos, there's no Beats logos or anything like that. It's basically all simple. Okay, now let's try to open this case up, because keep in mind you cannot open it all the way like a buck, but Let's see if there's anything else inside here. No, there's nothing else. There's a third pocket here. This one's like a zipper. Yeah, see, like a zipper here, you can put anything you want inside if it fits. But that's basically the case. If I just close it here, you know, it's not as stiff with the headphones because there's something holding it, but you know, it's okay. It's not like the original case that's all rubber and much of a tougher material, you know, but it's decent. Alright, so these are the headphones itself, and from first looks here, this gray part here, it's a silver color, but it has like these stripes going vertical, as you can see that, which does look nice. I don't know if I prefer the stripes or the shiny piano or the glossy silver color like on the back of the iPods, the original iPod classics. I don't know which color I prefer, but this type of design looks nice as well. The same exact vertical lines on the headphones, and actually the color and the design of this stripes kind of reminds me of the newer iPhone 15. The newer iPhone 15, they have the same exact pattern metal design on the sides. I don't know if this is metal or not. It's kind of feels like plastic, but I'm not too sure about that. Make sure you guys the other side. Same exact metal design here. On the inside, I think this is metal. Yeah, this is for sure metal. This part of the headphones, it's 100% metal. This right here is not metal. This feels like plastic right here, and this feels like metal. It's a huge difference there. And the buttons, let's see if they sound... Yeah, these buttons basically still sound the same. There's no difference between all the other headphones and the new one that came out, and the newest color one that came out, which is this white one. And this is the bottom of the headphones here. Looks pretty much the same as any other headphones, and of course there's no Beats logo. They removed the logo from the original Beats Studios 3. So, let me just open this real quick to show you guys how this looks. As you can see, if this cable is actually white, it's not like gray or any other color. It's pretty much matches the same matte white that these headphones have. See on the other side, yeah, same exact white cable. Do they sound creaky? Let's see here. No, they don't sound too creaky at all. They sound pretty much normal, you know. Yeah, they sound pretty normal. Let's get the Sandstone color here, and let's compare both of these here. As you can see, these two headphones, this is how they look side by side. And as you can see there, look at the two different colors. The padding here, these are two completely different colors here. As you can see that the white one looks 100% white, and this one looks 100% sandstone color, like a cream color. Huge difference. The head pad here does look white on camera, but it's pretty much the same exact color as the Sandstone compared to the white Beats here. Yeah, the white Beats, the head pad looks way more white than the ones on the Sandstone. Let me show you guys side by side. And as you can see here, yeah, on the sides here, I really do like this. I really do like this silver color. It looks very nice and it stands out. It's like a strip on the side, which makes it look different. Makes it stands out compared to this right here, which basically is the same exact color with the headphones. And on the B logos there, you got the white B logo for the Beats here, and you got the silver one for the matte white color. As you can see, that's how it basically looks. Show you guys at the bottom. That's the bottom. That's how it basically looks. As you can see, that same exact ports, same exact buttons and everything. The other side. And if you open up these headphones here, the same color that the cable is the same color as the Sandstone color. As you can see, that's pretty neat, I guess, that they have the same exact cables, the same exact cable color. I just wish that the same cable color was the same color as the charger and the headphones, but they're not. So it's pretty much cool. Yeah, both of them have the same exact functions, the same exact buttons here, as you can see that. Yeah, everything is pretty much the same thing. The only different thing about this is the colors of these two headphones. So guys, this is a quick unboxing, a quick comparison between both of these two headphones with the Sandstone and the matte white. You can't find the matte white. You can't find the matte white on eBay or any other website except Amazon. This is where I bought it from, is Amazon. So if you try to search it up on any other website, you're probably not gonna find any. So guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.